Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but one that I find very interesting, answering a question that several people have left me. Let's see if it is better to remove the spark plugs with a cold engine or with a warm engine. Always with a cold engine, I will explain. Although it is true that when heating an engine, normally the cylinder head is made of aluminum and the spark plugs are made of steel, the part that goes inside the cylinder head, when temperatures rise, aluminum normally expands twice as much as steel. But the problem with spark plugs is that when the spark plugs are heated, they also become more fragile, which is why it is easier for them to break. They normally tend to break here because of this collar that they have here, just below the tightening nut. And if they start from here, you have to lift the cylinder head because this part of the spark plug stays inside the cylinder head, as I say. That happens precisely because they become more fragile. And if you also insert a cold spark plug in an engine that is hot, the cylinder head is very expanded, and then, even if you apply the necessary tightening torque, as soon as the cylinder head begins to shrink, because as it cools, the thread inside the cylinder head will become much more stuck. And that is due to the tension that will be created with the gasket that the spark plugs have here. That's why I tell you that the spark plugs are always removed with the engine cold. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.